Get excited about the 2015 Ford F-250. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a rear step bumper, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.